Hello everyone. Let us start with the new session. In this session, we are going to learn how to do the settings for the devices in the Arduino IoT Cloud. Let us start. Search for the Arduino IoT Cloud. Click on it. Get started for free. Here you can sign in with the different accounts or using the mail and the password here, email and the password. Sign in. Now we will create the new devices here. Click on the device. Add the device. Here you select the third party device here. Click here. That is ESP8266. Select the model. Which model you are using there. Here Node MCU 1.0 ESP12E model. Continue. Device name here. Give the device name which you want to control. I will give kitchen light. Next. Next you can see here the device ID and the secret key is created here. We need to have these two values in the program. We have to enter these two. Therefore, save this one. Just download the PDF. It is downloaded now. Now, click here. I saved my device ID and the secret key. Continue. Done. Now, the device is created here. Now, next, click on the things here. Here, create thing. Click here. Here, add. Now, the name of the thing, I'll give as a bulb. Select the variable type here. It is the smart home. You remove this one, smart home. And here the bulb, it should be controlled with the switch here. Therefore, select the switch. That is through the, it should work with the Alexa. Therefore, click here. The cloud switch is the bulb. The name is bulb. You should remember this also, how it is created, this particular name, because we have to enter this also in the program here. Here all the small letters, BULB, bulb. The name here. Next, add variable. Now the bulb is created the particular thing here. Click on the network here, configure. Here give the Wi-Fi name. Give the password here. and enter the secret key which is generated. Already we have downloaded here. This is the secret key, as you can see. Copy this one. And paste here. Now secret key is also entered here. Save it. Now the network is also configured here. Next is the smart home integration here. Click here. And we are working with the Alexa. Therefore, the device should connect to the Alexa. Click here. These are the steps, that is, make sure your device is online. Add the Arduino skill from the Alexa app and add cloud variables as the new device in the app. You have to follow these steps while using the Alexa here. Click on the got it. Now smart home integration, this is also created. Now go to the dashboards here. Create the dashboard. Now add. Here we need switch here. Switch here added. Click on link variables. We need to link with the bulb here. Bulb link variable. The thing that is the type is the switch here. Link variable. Now it is linked here. Therefore done. Now you can see here off and on. Through the dashboard also we can control here. Cloud dashboard. Now again go to the things here. Click here. Now you can see the things which we have created. Now here we are having the metadata. Click on here. Here you will get the thing ID. You can see this one. This is the thing ID here. This also we need to remember. We have to enter in the program here. The thing ID we need to enter, and also the particular the device ID, secret key, and the thing ID we need there. Therefore, the thing ID is available in the metadata here, in the things here, and also the name, that is which name we have given, that we should enter in the program. These are the settings for the devices in the Arduino IoT cloud here. Thank you.